This is going to be Onyx Platinum Elite 2014 Onyx. Let's go ahead and screen share everybody to break boxes 10, 70, and 71. Justin Nimmer at the top. Rebecca C is at the bottom of the copy. And going to paste this into random.org. It's always random 7 times. Here we go. There's 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Let's make it razzle dazzle. 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Ron H at the top and bottom of the copy. And paste this into our Onyx baseball player checklist, which is right here. Boom. And let's go ahead and make this real big. Here is the names and the checklist players right there as we scroll down. All right. See, everybody has a checklist player in here. And these are all the players that are in the product. And I'll slide down here one more time. All right, that is the lineup there for us. Any trades on players, please do so now. Oh boy, be careful. Here's a couple Seahawks fans in here, buddy. Be careful, man. A couple diehard Seahawks fans in here. It might start a riot. Oh, are you really? Never been there. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's do the old 2-boxer here for Platinum Elite 1070 and 71. I agree, man. I never met a Seahawk fan in my life around here till last year. Seriously, I'm not joking. Now all the Cardinal fans are going to show up. I've met one Cardinals fan in my entire life. I'm not joking. And now I'm going to meet all of them. Now I'm going to meet all the Cardinals fans. All right, here we go. 2-boxer, Platinum Elite. Good luck, everybody. Checklist right here. All right, first up, Gregory Polanco right there. Pulowitz right here. Check that out. Nice blue ink autograph. This one should be numbered right here. 125 of 200. And that is going to go to Marcia B. Marcia B, that's coming out to you. Marcia B. Jacob Scavazzo right here. Nice green ink and hand numbered 16 of 50. That is going to go to Rebecca C. 16 of 50, that's coming out to you. And the Finowitz right here, Herrera, Vogelbach, and Drew Sisko. All right. Still rolling here in the old 2-boxer. Platinum Elite Baseball. Get you a couple baseball cards. All right, next up. Another Gregory Polanco. Franchi Cordero. Look at this, 39 of 50. Green ink, hand-numbered auto. And that is going to go to, who's got, Marcia B. That's coming out to you, Marcia B. Bryce Bandilla, blue ink, should be numbered on the back, 42 of 200. Kurt Casserly right here, Herrera, Dan Vogelbach, and Drew Sisko. All right. Good stuff. That'll do it for Onyx Platinum Baseball. 2-boxer, 1070 and 71. Let's save that for YouTube.